Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
Wemadoda wase-South Africa hlukanani nokuqamba amanga. Futhi nje ake ngithi ngingathi wemadoda ake ngithi webantu besilisa ngoba indoda ayikhulumi nje into engayazi izifakaze kangaka. Indoda ikhulume nje impela izijuza amathe, ikhuluma into engayazi, ikhuluma kabi ngenye indoda. Wemadoda wase-South Africa iyekeni lento yenu, ayikho right. Yini nibhizi nikhuluma into eningazazi, nikhuluma amanga ngophakela umthakathi. Ninenkinga yokuthi lento ayenzayo into engeke nize nikhona ukuyenza, eningasoze nayenze empilweni zenu ngoba phela niphiwe njengaye. Into engeke yenziwe ngisho na upresident wenu uqobo ukuthi athathe abantu abenzise lento leyo uphakela umthakathi ayenzayo. Mamelani ke thina esaziyo, thina kade siba yipart of ama projects, thina kade ke sithola kuma situation where we are leading people or we are being led. Umuntu eyokuqala nje ethi ngikhulume ngale yokuthi uphakela umthakathi unemoto. Amaruma athi kwasa mina ngiyazi ukuthi leya moto uyithathephi, but amaruma athi hayi cha uyithengelwe ngoba phela ephusha le movement ayenzayo. Ake sithi uyithengelwe khona nje umuntu mhlambe nje uyikhiphile imali wathi wemfowethu mina ngithi ngalento oyenzayo ngiyakubonga mfowethu wenzela isizwe bamba imoto. Nihla kubhlungu. Manje nina mase nithi kubantu nina nibhizi nihamba ngenyawo lapho nilandelana naye yena uthengelwe imoto ufuna kwenziwe njani? Ushuthi awuyiboni wena like i-heaviness yalento eyenziwa yilo muntu lo. Awuyiboni lento esemahlombe yalo muntu lo. Awuboni ukuthi lo muntu deserve ukubongwa vele as the leader nje. Ngoba lento eyenziwa yilo muntu angeke yenziwe noma ubani. Kwasa wena usoze mhlawumbe futhi awusoze wayenza wena unenkinga yalento, awusoze ngisho nangenye indlela, not even ngale. Ngisho mina ngiyimultimillionaire nje impela bengingamupha imoto. Ngithi mfowethu lento oyenzayo for iSouth Africa uya deserve ukubongwa. Manje senifuna ukuthenga imoto ezi1000 ke kuthengelwe wonke umuntu. Ake kabongwe nje yena for ukungalali, for leadership, for isibindi, for nje isacrificing ayenzayo yena for the country. I understand unabanye leader nabo. I understand, but he's the main leader at this point. We cannot deny that. We understand partnership no Ngizwe no Jacinta and a lot of other people ngiyababona bakhona sonke siyababona, but he's the main leader. Yini umona animyeke hawu nina nimthengele imoto mnike nenye imoto. Okwesibili nithi hayi lo muntu lona ufandiwe ukuthi uenze lento because there's a hidden agenda. Okay, ufandwe ubani? What is the hidden agenda? Ukhulumela into ongayazi. Dini ukhulumela into ongayazi. Indoda enjani wena ekhuluma ngenye indoda kanje into engayazi ngoba nje une personal. If ngempela wenza into engekho ebhedayo, why abantu abangaka bemlandela pho? Hlalani nekhuluma into eningazazi. Nibuye nina nithi hayi lo muntu lona uthe ama shopper wavalwe. I guess bekuyikwanongoma ama shopper wavalwe, but seniveze ivideo futhi la yethi hambani ke niyovula ama shop wenu niqhubeke nisebenze. Senitha labantu laba bambribile muzana ukukhuluma into engekho, hambani kwi-page lakhe nihambe kuma live. Angeke phela uthi ufuna ukwazi ngami mawuqeda uhamba uthatha iqephu lena le, landela mina uzokwazi ngami. Lo muntu lona uyibambe kamnandi meeting nabo uthi abavale vele because they needed to talk. So mase kuhlangene kokukhulunywa kwathiwa wamadoda ayinihamba nina nge-30 June namanje usayisho leyo nto ishilo futhi nakhona emeetingini. Kodwa wasethi bukani okwamanje njoba nisekhona singayenza indlela yokuthi njoba nisalungiselela ukuhamba nibeke nenza ke enikwenzayo ngendlela enikwenza ngayo, specifically nina enisemakhaya. Ngoba utheme ngabe becubungula lolu daba kwabonakala ukuthi hey emakhaya mengavalwa zonke le toro lezi njengamanje kungenzeka kube nenkinga yokuthi abantu vele bazoba nenkinga ukuthi bazothengaphi masinya kangaka mase kuthiwa nje kuvalwe namhlanje. So abantu nabo baya-adjusta ke manje umqondo ukuthi from i-30 June kumele bazi ukuthi kuzomele bayothenga somewhere, or kuzomela abanye abanamandla okuvula izitoro bavule. So banikwa isikhathi. So leya video mangabe ethi hambani ke niyovula izitoro zenu niqhubeke nisebenze, bekhulumela on behalf of that, and wazowabanika nendlela futhi yokuthi in the meantime njoba nisasekhona, you need to do something and give back to this community to show ukuthi niya appreciate for everybody onithengelayo ngoba nitax anokuthexwa. So yini umona yini amanga madoda, yabona nje abantu besifazane Nkosi yami ngiyabaxolela kulena bakhulumela kancane bakhuluma kakhulu kuleyo ukubhekana noMphakela Umthakathi nongizwe. Yini amadoda nomona ukuthi kwenzeka into abafisa ukuthi bangabe bayiyo emhlabeni, but into nje abangasoze ngoba amandla njani nawo. Hey wabafethu, laba abantu bayiphiwe le yantu, uMphakela Umthakathi uyiphiwe le yantu. Futhi ningabike nje, yabona nina nje enizwayo lento ayenzayo, nina enilandelayo lento, ningabi nenkinga mayethi mina, as long as sisase behind him usirepresenta sonke. Mayethi mina ke ngiyeza kuphi kuthiwa kungenwe Hillbrow, mina ngiyeza, akungenwe Point, mina ngiyeza, ukhuluma ngathi sonke. So yekani mani ukucishizwa into encane ezinga.
A Zulu man has decided to take it on his hands to call out those that are saying bad things about uPhakela, to say stop saying that. And he really did specify ukuthi it's not women. These are men going out there saying bad things about uPhakela, and they are lying. They are lying. You know, guys, when it comes to me, I just don't understand. I don't understand why would someone sit down in front of the camera and lie about someone while they know deep down that they're lying. Like, why are you doing that? Why are you trying to tarnish this person's name? But on this case, when it comes to uPhakela, I get it. Obviously, he's a public figure, like he's out there and he's big. Sometimes we don't really have to get into all these things with our emotions, because trust me, some of these people, they don't mean any harm, but they just want views. Remember, he's a public figure and he's big. So when you talk about him, things will just be shaking off. You understand me? Yes. But anyway, he was basically calling out men that go around saying bad things about uPhakela, to say, can you please stop? Because he is not the way you portray him. He's actually the best man in this country. Remember, he is fighting for South Africans. He's not only fighting for himself. When he goes out there, he is representing South Africans. When he tells these people to say, okay, on the 30th June, you have to make sure that you're leaving, he's actually giving other people also, like those that lives in those places, in those areas, to say, prepare yourself, make sure that I don't know if maybe they will occupy those plaza shops or what will happen. I don't know. I really don't know. We just have to wait until the 30 and see what goes down. But yeah, that's it, guys. Please comment your thoughts down below in the comment section.